Hello guys and welcome to our new math session. Today is not gonna be a new lesson, it's just gonna be collective correction for the quiz. So we have a lot of we had like 8 questions in the quiz, so let's correct them together. So question number 1, it was here Yuri is 1.6 meter tall and Lily is 140 centimeter tall. What is the ratio of Yuri's height to Lily's height in the simplest form? So first, I need to write down Yuri to Lily according to the order that he asked me about. The order was what is the ratio of Yuri's height to Lily's height. So Yuri is the first one, so I wrote that down the first, and Lily's the second one, so I wrote it down the second one. And after that, write down Yuri's height. Yuri's height is 1.6 meters, and Lily's height is 140 centimeters. So, as we said before in ratio lesson, we cannot write down ratio with two different units. Actually, the ratio is something called unitless, so it means it's without units, or both of them with the same unit, so that I can just remove them. So I have to change the meter into centimeter or the centimeter into meter to be able to make it ratio. So I will just change the meter into centimeter. So to change the meter to centimeter, I will multiply by 100. So move the decimal point 2 steps to the right. So it's gonna be 160 centimeters. 2, it's 140 centimeters. I will just leave it the same because it's already in centimeters. And after that, simplify. If you simplify that, you will find both of them ending in zeros, so I can divide both of them by 10. So when you divide by 10, it's going to be equal to 16 to 14. And if you focus a little bit, you will find out that both of these numbers are even numbers, so I can divide them by 2. So when I divide them by 2, the answer is going to be here 8 to 7. So can I simplify more than that? No, it's the simplest form, 8 to 7. So the answer is 8 to 7. And this is the answer for question number 1. Let's go to question number 2. I have here something equals half of 16. So what's the half of 16? Yes, of course, it's very easy. It's 8. Let's get it a little bit complicated. Double something equals half of 16. So first I have to search for the complete answer here. Here it's first he said half of 16 and here it's double something. So I will just work from here first. I will start working from here. What's the half of 16? It's 8. I just answered it here. It's 8. So double what equals 8? Double what equals 8? Yes, it's 4. So double 4 equals half of 16 because double 4 equals half of 16. And this is the answer for questions number 2 and 3. Question number 4, it's a direct question. What is 20% of 200? So I will just calculate it normally by two ways. The first way is to change that into decimal and multiply normally, as we said in previous videos. And or the other answer is to just change it into fraction. 20%, it means 20 over 100, and after that I will multiply by the amount here, which is 200. So 200 times 20 over 100, I will just make it divide first. 200 divided by 100, which is going to be equals to 2. And after that, I will multiply this 2 by the numerator, which is 20. So 2 times 20 is going to be equals to 40. Okay, so the answer is 40. Let's go to question number 5. What is 3 over 5 as percentage? So 3 over 5, it's a fraction here. I need to change it into percentage. So to be able to do that, you know that I have to make the denominator equals to 100. So to change this denominator into 100, first I will multiply by the best friend of 5, which is 2. So whatever I'm doing down, I have to make it up in the numerator. So I will multiply by 2, both the denominator and numerator. So the answer is going to be equal to 6 over 10. Still, I didn't reach for the denominator is 100. So I want to change this denominator to be 100. So I can add 0 up and down. It means that I multiplied down by 10 and multiplied up by 10. So 6 times 10, it means 60, and 10 times 10 equals 100. So right now I changed this 3 over 5 with the denominator of 100. So the percentage is going to be the numerator, 60. So the answer is going to be 60%. Or guys, you have a different way, by the way, to change it into percentage, is to change this 3 over 5 into decimal. So 3 over 5, it means 6 over 10, which means 0.6. And if you change it into percentage, it's going to be, I move the decimal point 2 steps to the right, so it's going to be 60%. So it's going to be the same answer. Okay, let's go to question number 6. What is 2.5 as a percentage? So guys, by the way, I have like a concern about this question because some of you asked me 2.5 as a percentage. It's going to be 2.5%. And this is a very, very wrong answer. 2.5 as percentage, you're just moving the decimal point 2 steps to the right and adding the percentage sign. So 2.5%, 2.5, it means 2.50. And if you move the decimal point 2 steps to the right, it's going to be 250. So it's going to be equals to 250%. So I just here move the decimal point 2 steps to the right and add the percentage sign. So the answer is going to be 250%. Okay, question number 7. Kate is using her computer to print a photo. The black bar shows how much of the photo is printed so far. What percentage of the photo is printed so far? So if you focused here, you'll find out that here the black bar is in the mid distance between 0 and 50. So actually, I'm thinking of what is the half of 50%. So what's the half of 50%? Yes, it's 25%. So 25% is the answer for this question. Okay, so let's go to question number 8. It's the tricky question in this quiz. Here on this necklace, the ratio of black beads to white beads is 1 to 3. So let's write it down. Black to white is 1 to 3. Okay, because here in this necklace it's 1 black bead and 3 white beads, so it's 1 to 3. So here in the question, he needs to know how many more black beads do you need to add to make the ratio of black to white equal to 3 to 1. So black to white, listen guys. Here, if you just made it 6 to 2, if you made the ratio 6 to 2 and simplified this ratio by dividing by 2 both of them, it's going to be 3 to 1. But remember, you have how many white beads? 2 or 3? 3. So I need to make another ratio, black to white. It's going to be 9 to 3 because if you simplified it, you will find out it's 3 to 1. So I have 3 white beads. So how many black beads do we have here to make the ratio 3 to 1? Yes, 9 black beads. But already I have only 1 black bead. So how many more do you need? So it's very easy. It's gonna be 9 minus 1. 9 black beads that you need to make the ratio 3 to 1 minus 1 existing or black beads. So 9 minus 1 equals 8 more black beads. So this is the answer for this question. 8 more black beads that I want to have to make the ratio black to white is 3 to 1. Okay, and this is the quiz, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the session, and I hope that you understand everything. Thank you very much again, and have a wonderful day.